The results equation. Are you maximizing your lean results? According to change management experts, it's estimated that at least 70% of major projects do not meet their stated goals. As lean change agents, you gotta wonder, why is that? In our experience, most organizations love putting together a great strategy. But when it comes to execution, we don't put in the same amount of effort, especially when it comes to getting important stakeholders on board. To understand this better, we did a search of keywords and business books on Amazon. The results are eye-opening. The number of results returned for books on strategy outnumbered those for selling and execution by a margin of 15 to 1. We get super excited about coming up with the best possible solution, i.e. our friend the strategy, and put a lot of effort into brainstorming great ideas. But then it comes to selling the ideas and we forget to get the right people involved early to co-own the plan, so we start and stop. Meanwhile, time ticks on, and by then we're so tired and frustrated it's hard to keep momentum going. We've developed a model to simulate this. It's called the results equation. The solution to the equation is R, our goal, sustained results. To estimate the kind of results from a project, you multiply I, where I equals the quality of the idea, times D, which is the level of desire or buy-in of stakeholders, times E, which is the ability of the organization to execute. Let's see how it works using an example. Let's say in this case we've got great improvement ideas. We'll give that a score of 100%. Desire or buy-in? Well, we haven't sold our ideas very well internally, so at best, let's give that a measure of 40%. As for execution, in the past, sometimes we get this right, but sometimes we don't, so 50% sounds about right. Do the math and you're left with a 20% ride score. If we're looking for 100%, a perfect score, we're falling well short. The important point here is that while the quality of the idea is important, a lower score for desire or execution can sink your chances of success. But if you can find ways to bump up those low scores, you may be able to get a better result. What's your RIDE score? Find out more about maximizing your RIDE score with Lean Agility's Results Not Resistance workshop at leanagility.com.